When I'm cooking at home, I need things to be quick and easy. That's why this product here is so fantastic. This is ready to eat roast chicken and it's delicious. I'm going to show you just how quick it is by making 2 dishes in the time it takes to make an omelette. We're going to make a Vietnamese chicken salad and a chicken and brie omelette. So let's get cracking. So our pan is nice and hot. We're going to add some butter. Whilst the butter's melting, we can start mixing our salad. So first of all, we've got these wonderful bean sprouts. Vermicelli, spring onions, coriander, some beautiful Thai basil, some julienne red capsicum, julienne cucumber, delicious snow peas, some mint, some tomato with the seeds removed and cut into fingers, some chili, and this fantastic Mount Barker roasted chicken. Now that can sit there for a minute while we make our omelette. Whisk our eggs together. Ooh-wee. Okay, now we're just going to set the bottom of these. At this stage, we can add our chicken. We're going to lay it nicely along. Sprinkle of some chives, some delicious Brie cheese. Fantastic. Turn the temperature down a little bit. Now I'm going to make my dressing. So we've got some palm sugar here, which I've just grated up. Some lime juice. Adjust the seasoning with some fish sauce. Make sure all that palm sugar's dissolved. Pour it over your salad. Now we can finish our omelette. Grab your little spatula underneath there and we're going to flip it. Just like that. Turn the heat off and we'll let that sit so that cheese becomes nice and gooey. So now we're just going to toss the salad. Look at all of that flavour. Now we're going to finish our omelette. We've got some diced tomato, some diced red onion, a little bit of coriander, and then we're going to dress that with a little bit of olive oil and some sherry vinegar. Give it a nice little mix. And we can plate up. So there we go. With Mount Barker's fully cooked, ready-to-eat roast chicken, there really is no limit to what you can whip up in a matter of minutes.